Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is a Nissin Donbei variety that was found in a Zen Pop box. I can't remember the name of it, but it features two types of bonito broth, and it has buckwheat soba noodles in it. And as promised in the last episode of the show, I will tell you what the heck happened to me. Yes, it was the torches of the damned. Torches of the damned. Oh, there's something burning on the burner. That's a shame. I don't know what it is. I really am sure though. Alright. But anyways, let's get to that. So, what was it? Saturday night. Well, not at night, but Saturday, diggity day, my sister, she's having her birthday. Her birthday is actually today. Happy birthday to my sister. She's 21. And, yeah, so she came down and she wanted to meet the dog. If you haven't been following, we got a dog, black lab. Her name is Pepper, and she's absolutely freaking insane. But aside from that, so she came down to meet the dog, and and so I was like, okay, I'll make pizzas. So I made her a pizza with, I used breakfast sausage instead of Italian, which was a mistake, obviously. There was some left over. I ate some of that while I was preparing the pizzas. Gave her some chashu with it. She wanted sausage and Canadian bacon, but I couldn't get any Canadian bacon, and I went and got breakfast sausage instead of Italian sausage, which I should have gotten. I made my daughter Mimi a little teeny tiny cutie pizza, which had marinara and, what do you call it? Salami and cheese. The one I made myself was some chicken that I sauteed with a little bit of sesame chili oil and some of this Thai simmer sauce that was really good, and some onions. And it turned out, as far as I know, we had an onion over there, and I think I was gonna use that simmer sauce and the onion and some chicken to make just like with rice, standard thing, but not to top a pizza. But I think the onion was bad, like really bad. I didn't care because I had a sixer of really good IPA, and I was like, yeah, it looks like it's fine. It's crunching when I'm slicing it. It'd been sitting on the counter for maybe 5 days. So I was just like, but that, some beers, a lot of pizza, a lot of different grease and oil sources. And I went to bed that night, and I woke up, and it felt like I ate the devil's poo. And my gut was killing me. I've never had heartburn like this before. And my back was killing me. And I wasn't like running to the toilet or anything. But I was like, I'm not getting out of bed. I literally spent that whole day in bed. All of Sunday. Monday, I spent part of it and like still really felt funky, and I felt dizzy, and my heart was all racy. And then now it's Friday, and my heart still felt like kind of dizzy when I'd stand up. I got something, folks. I don't think it was just food poisoning or something like that. I think I got some kind of sick, but it wasn't fun. But today was the most walking I've done yet. It's still it's just 11 this morning right now. And yeah, I took Pepper down to there's a park down that way, right? and called Swamp Creek Park. We didn't go down to the park per se, but we went to where you would cross the street to it. I didn't want to push it, and although doing that was definitely pushing it compared to what my activity this week already. But came back, and then I was like, oh, what the hell? And there's a dog park here. What I wanted to do is get her just totally dead tired, so I could do what I'm doing right now. She's out in the living room, sitting on her dog bed, probably snoozing, I hope. I'm wearing my shoes. I know she's not chewing those up. Although she'll try to do that while I'm wearing my shoes. So, there is that. But, yeah. Crazy business, huh? Don't mix too many weird oils together with things that you know probably will give you heartburn. Because it's like when I'm cooking, I'm eating too. So I was eating all that stuff while I was prepping it and putting it in the oven and got it all done. Then afterwards I had more. So I had I had some of the onion uncooked as well. So since then I'm like, I'm not drinking any more beer. I don't want to eat anything spicy. I'm like chilling, and like, I'm serious. Today is the first day I've come out of that funk. Thank God. But we do have some this. This is generally not something I'm a huge fan of. This is buckwheat soba, and it's considered like a very, very special sacred thing in Japan. I'm sorry, I'm just never been a big fan of it. Maybe this one will change my mind though. Cheers. Maybe it will. Maybe it has. The broth isn't bad too. I'm generally not a huge fan of bonito broth. I think that's egg. Seaweed. Which is all right. You know. I like this. I didn't think I would. And I thought it was akin to another Donbei variety that I really didn't like. This one I like. Good. That makes me happy. Because I like things that I like. I prefer to do reviews of things that taste good. Now, I think I made a miscalculation because I really don't think egg is often seen in this. Oh. Okay. Lots of bits that don't want to come out. No, come on. Come on. There you go. I'm sure that sounds great on the recording. Sorry. Ooh. Dare I say I even like the seaweed? Yeah. That doesn't happen normally. So I'm gonna gussy this sucker up. I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I know. An unhealthy amount of spring onion. I don't believe there's such a thing at all. Whoa. I don't think egg usually goes on it. It's already in it, but these 3 eggs of the last night were specific for doing these 3 bowls that I'm doing today. So 1, and a 2. By the way, if you like putting more than 1 egg with your noodles, don't do it in front of me, because I think that's just, I don't know, I can't. I see people like slicing their eggs in 3s. That just, I find that off-putting, kind of just strange. I don't understand. Or I've seen people slice eggs in half, and then look, there's 6 of them. 6? What are you trying to do? Look at all my egg slices. That's a 1/4 dozen eggs, dude. Come on. Although, you know, I know the whole deal. Sometimes you can go places and find like 6 egg omelets. I think that's like asking for it personally. But if that's what you want to do, I don't think you'd usually find this in here too, but I already took it out. And I'm gonna throw some sesame seed on top. But this one, yeah, I'm kind of surprised. I did not expect to like this so much. I really didn't. And I do like it much. It's good. I like it this much. Yay. Okay, and where's our hole? What's he looking for? So this container of shichimi, this is how you open it. It slides back and forth, so I was looking for that hole. I know where all the other holes are. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we're good. All right, Rotato. Make the magic. Make 7-Up yours. Oh God, I hate this track. Alright, thanks for watching. The next one, this could be huge. I'm really excited. This is from China, and it's by a company called Ramen Talk. This is a pork tonkatsu. Right? Well, tonkatsu I think means pork anyways, but it comes with a big slice of chashu. Look at that. 7-centimeter slice of chashu. Yes. So we'll see you tomorrow. Be here or be stupid. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Pepper.